Hey there, all you creative souls. Welcome back to Easy Peasy Art. Today, we're conjuring up some spooky Halloween magic with our ghostly friend and mischievous jack-o'-lanterns. So grab your art supplies and let's get started. First up, we're sketching a friendly ghost. Just a simple shape with two adorable hands poking out. And of course, don't forget those big round eyes and a warm, welcoming smile. Our ghost is ready to party. Now, on to the fun part. Let's draw some Halloween jack-o'-lanterns. Our first pumpkin has a bit of an attitude, so give it that angry expression. Oh, and don't forget to add a handle going right under the ghost's hand as if they're best buds. Now let's create another lantern. This one's a bit cheeky with a mischievous grin. Add another hand for our ghost to carry it in. To set the scene, a big, oversized moon is a must. And why not throw in a couple of bats flying around for that extra spook factor? It's a perfect Halloween night. Time to bring this spooky scene to life with color. Give that moon a vibrant, eye-catching yellow shade. For added depth, use some deep yellows to create subtle moonlight spots. Now our friendly ghost needs a touch of contrast with a clear blue color, just to make it pop. And the jack-o'-lanterns? Classic orange, of course. With a dash of yellow for highlights. And there you have it, folks. Our exciting, imaginative Halloween masterpiece is complete, with our friendly ghost and those mischievous lanterns. I hope you had a blast following along. Remember to like this video if you enjoyed it, and if you want more fantastic art adventures, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for joining us today.